Everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here with the allotment. It's a beautiful day here in the UK. We are heading to that beautiful time of year, which is spring, when you hear the beautiful sounds of those amazing birds and life coming back into those northern parts of the hemisphere where we've been having really rough weather, rather it's rain or it's been cold. So in this video, we're going to talk about companion. We all need them. Including us, including me. We all need a little bit of companionship. But then in this case, we're going to be talking about a companionship of gardening. And let me explain that while I'm showing you something. Perfect example that I'm going to give you. This is a one bed. It's just garlic. But with companion planting, which I love, I enjoy the fact that we can learn everything to do with gardening. So in this here, the gaps between them, I left them purposely to make sure in the future, because I know for a fact there is two things that I love, or maybe even three that I know for a fact that garlic loves to be grown with, and that are, I've got some broccoli, and I definitely can stick a few of them in here, carrots, or beautiful radishes if you're into that. So this bed here, instead of having it just garlic, in the long term, when the weather is a lot more warmer, you guys can see that I'm gonna have 3 crops, even maybe 4. But with companion in planting, you want to look at not just what you can grow, but what to avoid. So you have to make sure you're on track of just having little notes of what certain vegetables to avoid. I definitely need to know, I actually know I need to not put any cabbages in this, because cabbages do not do very well with this, but doesn't mean that you can't try. But I'm definitely going to stick to the rule that there's a couple of apps that you guys can download and learn about companion, because companion can help. So in the garden, it's not just about just growing one thing, it's growing your knowledge as well. And that's how you learn to be a better gardener or a better farmer. Instead of you having one all the way along, you can use what is in the ground right now and turn it into a masterclass, and showing that you can grow multitudes of things in such space. Because last year I had okra that didn't make it in here, and I had some sweet potatoes because they go well together. See, look at this one here. This is a great example as well. I have my garlic there. I have some sprouting Lisbon onions on the side. I've got some black radishes here, thyme, some more here, and I got another thyme there. And I've planted them along the edges to help to protect whatever I'm going to put in here. Because last year I had a watermelon here, got some tomatoes in there, I had some carrots in it. So it literally is utilizing the space that you have. Planting that one crop, you can end up having abundance of vegetables. But as I said, learn what grows well with one another, building that partnership to avoid the ones that will not help the garden to flourish in its way it's supposed to be. And it's life. We all need something to help us. So why not learn about companion? And this is your boy Mr. Green Hands, and hey, it's the growing season. I hope you guys are out there growing and building the future that you deserve. Companion. It's a beautiful thing. And please do not forget to look after the planet, because we just have to.